N.R.T here, guys. So, long story short, got the new water valve here, or inlet, and I was gonna go ahead and pick the one out. I picked one out. The owner wanted this one, so they got this one, and doesn't fit. It's the correct hose size, but we're missing a couple parts on that. So, the owner already gave me the permission to go ahead and cut this out. So. Okay, now let's see if it'll fit. No, we got a bit more to cut out. Almost. Almost. Now it'll fit. Okay. It fits. It's a little. Okay, so when it's all said and done, that's how it will be, right there. But I gotta get some screws. I gotta get a nut to fit this in a that's basically some screws, because I don't see how that's supposed to work, because this is where it sits flush behind here, and it's not how it does. I'll go around here with the razor knife and clean up this edge, but didn't want to have to cut on the dang thing, but yeah. But look at all the rust in that compartment right there. Look at all that. Gotta figure all that out. But this is why me as the tech or the mechanic working on the unit or vehicle, you need to let me pick out the parts. It happens all the time. All the mechanics deal with it. The customer wants to save $1, they go get the parts themselves, and then you got issues like this. But I only cut it because the owner gave me permission to cut it. So that's usually what happens. But that's how I'll sit. Had to cut it out pretty big. The old ones right here is leaking. As you see, it's plastic full. It was leaking pretty dang bad. Hopefully this one don't leak. But as far as I can see, I don't think you put none back there. So I guess adhesive and screws and some sealant so water don't leak out of there or something is what I'm thinking. But it'd be like that. So, alright, well, another episode of N.R.T. Working on this Integra emblem, getting the job done right. Fixing other issues while we wait for the stain to arrive so I get the correct color on the woodwork on the inside. So, another day, another dull moment. This N.R.T. Catch you on the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment, share.